Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Bluetooth couldn't connect error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Just need to open up Chrome and in search you just need to type driver booster and press enter. Select the first site, select the free download option and it will start downloading. After getting download and install this setup, after the installation done, open the driver booster. After opening the driver booster, select the scan option over here, select the close, and now you just need to select update all option on the top over here. In my case, I already updated every drivers in my PC. This program will help you to update all required drivers, including Bluetooth. And after getting update done, you just need to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.